Trump administration says the daily number of deaths caused by the coronavirus may double by June 1st.
You have case rates now, they're going to go up.
I woke up waiting. We all are. Waiting for that check to come in, waiting to see loved ones, waiting to get back to work, waiting to make sense of the world standing still, waiting for life to start up again.
Since the lockdown,
second wave of
Coronavirus.
I'm not okay waiting. I'm not okay being told what to do. I'm not okay feeling that I'm isolated and powerless. Not in a time where you can do anything, talk to anyone, and still be what you always wanted to be. Not when it's a perfect time to reinvent ourselves. Each day still has 24 hours. Still full of moments that can change everything. When you have nothing, imagine what you could do and who you could be. We have to keep moving forward. We need to tell ourselves that this is a new beginning, that this is a new normal. We need to inspire others to know that they can do it as well. We live in a time where you can work from anywhere, where you can still make the life you always wanted. Do it for your future and the next generations to come.